world where most, if not all, beauty and skincare brands do not always live up to consumers' expectations, but continue to claim as the best and the most effective in skin rejuvenating, whitening, lightening, and whatnot. It's good to know that we can make our own skincare products that's all natural and inexpensive too. Hey everyone, today I'm doing my homemade face and body scrub. Let's get started. Turmeric contains antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties that fight acne, pimples, eczema, whiteheads, blackheads, cracked heels, wounds, and other skin conditions. It also lightens the appearance of scars, freckles, or skin blemishes, as well as dark areas in the skin such as elbows, knees, and ankles. If you love coffee as much as I do, I bet this homemade coffee scrub would be your favorite too. Coffee is a source of antioxidants, so it's great for your hair, face, and body. It removes dry and dead skin, reduces the appearance of stretch marks, eczema, acne, age spots, and eye puffiness. Toothpaste contains ingredients such as baking soda, alcohol, and hydrogen peroxide, which are known to irritate the skin and dry out the zits and blackheads, while the mint in the toothpaste opens up the clogged and infected pores that are filled with excess oil, dead skin, and bacteria. Milk moisturizes, heals acne, and lightens your skin, while salt kills bacteria, tones oily skin, exfoliates, and lightens dark spots. If you have been throwing away potato peels before, this will change your mind. Potatoes can heal wounds, dry skin, and sunburns. It also reduces dark spots, freckles, acne scars, wrinkles, and under eye dark circles. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye.